Customize your KTVAECU digital banking experience. To get started, open the KTVAECU mobile app. Before you log in, press More in the bottom navigation menu. Quickly change the language, hide icon labels for a minimalist appearance, disable animations to reduce visual effects, toggle left-hand mode, or toggle dark mode to reduce screen brightness. For even more customization, log into the app. Tap the heart next to your favorite shares or loans to pin them to the top for easy access. For additional options, tap the circle in the upper right-hand corner. Choose Settings. Then select Customization. Choose a color theme. Toggle dark mode on or off. Disable or enable animations. Set your language or select a font. Your settings will be automatically saved. Customize your digital banking experience in your browser. Visit TVACreditUnion.com. On the login screen, click the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner to turn on dark mode, change your language, or disable animations to reduce visual effects. To find even more settings, log in. Click the heart icon next to your favorite shares or loans to pin them to the top for easy access. For further customization, click the circle in the upper right-hand corner. Select Settings. Click Customization in the top menu. Choose a color theme, turn dark mode on or off, disable or enable animations, change your language, or select a font. Your settings will be automatically saved. For more information about digital banking, visit TVACreditUnion.com.
Join us now.